Redis is blazing fast because it lives in memory, but memory is volatile. In this video, you will learn the 2 ways Redis can persist data to disk, so a restart does not wipe everything out. By default, Redis stores everything in RAM, which vanishes on restart. Redis gives you 2 persistence modes, RDB snapshots and AOF logs, and you can combine them or skip both if your data is truly ephemeral. When a write arrives, Redis updates memory instantly. AOF immediately appends the command to the log. How often that is flushed to disk depends on your fsync policy. Separately, RDB forks a child to snapshot the full dataset, then atomically swaps in the new file. Use config get to see your current persistence settings. Config set lets you enable AOF or adjust RDB save intervals without restarting. BGSAVE and BGREWRITEAOF kick off background jobs, and LASTSAVE tells you when the last snapshot completed. When reviewing a PR, check that persistence mode matches the data's importance. Flag appendedly turned off for stateful data. fsync set to always on a write-heavy path, and especially a bare save command. It blocks Redis completely until the snapshot finishes. Redis trades durability for speed by default, so always choose persistence deliberately. For anything that matters, combine RDB and AOF, pick an fsync policy you can live with, and never block the server with a synchronous save.